In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Sidebar on Monday.com dashboard. If your workspace ever feels a little cramped, or you just want more room to focus on your widgets and data, closing the left navigation sidebar is a quick way to free up valuable screen space. This doesn't delete anything or change your boards. It simply hides the navigation so your dashboard content can take center stage. First, head to Home. From anywhere in your account, open the Home area so you're starting from a clean, familiar view. Home is the central hub that ties together your workspaces, boards, and dashboards, so it's a safe place to make a quick layout change like this. Think of it as your control room. What you do with the navigation here carries over as you move into your dashboards, giving you a consistent, uncluttered canvas. Now, look to the upper left of the screen, right next to the sidebar. You'll see a small control labeled Close Navigation, often represented by a left-pointing arrow or a collapse icon. Click it once. The sidebar will smoothly slide away, and your main content area will expand to fill the space. This is especially useful when you're reviewing dashboard widgets, charts, or timelines, and want fewer distractions around the edges. A couple of quick tips to make this easier. If you don't immediately see the close navigation control, try hovering your mouse near the top of the left edge. On some screen sizes, the label may be shortened to just an icon, and a brief hover will reveal a tooltip that confirms you're in the right spot. If your browser zoom is set unusually high or your window is very narrow, the control can tuck closer to the edge, so reducing zoom slightly or maximizing your window can help it appear. Also, if you're using a high-resolution monitor, the icon can look small at first glance. Just move slowly along the top left corner until you spot it. Once the sidebar is closed, you'll notice your dashboard and home content shift left and breathe a little more. It's normal to see widgets or boards reflow slightly to use the extra width. That's the goal. Nothing about your data changes, and your boards, workspaces, and folders remain exactly where they were. Only the navigation panel is hidden. That's all there is to it. Go to Home, then click Close Navigation in the upper left. Enjoy the cleaner view and the extra room to focus on what matters most.